My name is Mana Patel and I'm an Olympian swimmer from India. I represented our country at the Tokyo 2020 Olympic Games. It is very important because this step or the structure that is in process of formation. I think this is really going to help the young female athletes who want to continue sport, because this will also give them a safer way to enter into the sports, and keeping in mind their long-term health and well-being. So I think it is extremely important. If implemented correctly, I think this is going to be a revolution for females in sport, because no one until now, no one really speaks about menstruation. No one really speaks about all the challenges that come with it, and all the challenges that women face in speaking about it, like especially female athletes, the challenges that they face in communicating this with their coaches, or the lack of a proper structure that supports women health and that prioritizes women health. So I think if done properly, this is going to be a revolution for women in sports. 100%, I definitely believe, because a lot of women, female athletes post puberty, there is a significant dropout rate because they just feel uncomfortable continuing sport when they get their periods every month. And with this being in place, I have 100 confidence that they will be working, they will be competing, and they will be training in an environment where they feel safe to communicate these issues with their coaches and the support staff, but also that they will be well looked after, like their health and well-being will be put at the forefront of the training system.